Hey guys, it's Cactus Uncle. Welcome back to my page. Today we're going to be doing a little Mexican fence post. This guy, he's a seedling, grew him from seed. He's about a year old. Pretty much a perfect little specimen. When they're this age, the spikes aren't really that bad, so usually I just kind of, put my fingers in there as a wedge so I don't drop it. And then as you work the thing out of the pot, it can be difficult. You got to squeeze the sides and all that. And it's just rooted enough to where it's holding all the soil together. It is like a very vigorous growing seedling though, so I'm trying to get it into a bigger pot. Mexican fence posts can grow quite fast compared to a lot of other cactus, and since these are seedlings, they should be very vigorous. So I'll just kind of situate it, make sure it's in the middle because it was off center in the other pot that it was in. And then just the normal, using the appropriate mix, I'll just go ahead and fill it in with soil. Take a couple scoops there, and then I usually kind of just like straighten it up. Yep, like I said, the thorns at this size, they're not that bad, but you might still want to wear gloves if you don't have callous fingers. But yeah, just kind of like wedging it in there, getting it straight or straight enough. I know it's tempting to bury it deeper because it's small at the bottom, but that's as far as you should go. Visit my site for any premium seed grown cactus and rooted cuttings that I have available. Thanks guys, have a good one.